Hello my beautiful friends, I am back, and I am back with a Balm unboxing. This is from this company that I found in YouTube, and I decided just to buy something from them. I got it yesterday. They sent it via Federal Express. So I opened the package because I didn't know what it was, so I just opened it, and it was just two little boxes. And I took out the packages, like the wrappers and everything, yesterday, but this is what they sent me. And when I saw it, I was like, wow, this is the cutest thing I've seen in a long time. Let me open this one first. Oops, wrong way. I always do that. I open stuff the wrong way. So I'm sorry if you hear a noise. That's my AC, because I just came from outside, taking my niece outside. So when you open it, okay, it says she loves more lip balm, honey nourishing lip balm. Okay, and then when you first open it, you see this little thing there, and it's like a little honey, like a little honey thing that you, like a little scoop from the honey that you can scoop honey out, and then you can leave it there in the box. But of course I'm not gonna leave it in the box. I throw out all the boxes. And then I saw the side, it has the little scoop right there, as you can see. Okay, so then it says she loves moist lip balm, and then it looks like a little honey pot. It is so cute. And then it has the little scoop, like a little thing that you scoop honey. I just found this so cute. When I saw it, I'm like, I didn't expect it for it to be so cute. And then when you open it, you just twist the top. And this one doesn't, yes, it smells like honey. And then you just scoop out, and then you use the little this little scoop thing. You don't have to dip in your nails. That's what I like about it, because I don't like putting my nails. And then it's not sticky. It's just perfect. That is, you can see, smells like honey, no taste, but isn't this the cutest little thing? It is just so cute. Then when you put it in the vanity, it's gonna look so cute. The only thing, you can just clean it out and just leave it on top of there, and it looks like this. Then put this here. Then the other one, isn't this adorable? It looks like a little, another honey pot. And then this one has the scoop right here, and that's what I like about it, because it stays here safely. Oops. Lucky thing I have 2 of those. I gotta fix that one. I just broke it. Nice. Well, I'll just glue it. You can either store it there. I gotta fix it now because I just broke it. But I have the other one and I can just put it there. They're so delicate. See, I gotta put both of them in there. And then twist it. Oh my god, this one really smells like honey. And then this honey is another lip balm. Because sometimes you just want to moisturize your lips with honey. So, and then you just keep both of them in there. With the other one, I'll just throw it out and I'll just have one for both. Well, I'll just fix the other one just in case for backup. Okay, so I'm just going to put that there. Okay, so sis, that was just a little tiny haul. But then I dropped my... Yep, sorry guys. And I want to say welcome guys, and welcome to the new subscribers that have been joining my channel. I welcome everybody, and remember, the more you like, share, and subscribe and comment, the more I see you. You have a chance of the random giveaway that I'm going to be doing pretty soon. And this is a Boxycharm unboxing. Okay guys, so this is the pop-ups that we had recently. So these are all the goodies that I got from the Boxycharm unboxing. And the first thing that I see is Booty Drop Firming Body Oil. So I got an extra one. I haven't used the other one. I gotta start taking it to the bathroom because if not, I'll never use it. So I gotta take this to the bathroom. And if you saw the last haul I did, well, my Boxycharm unboxing, I received one of these, and this is the way it looks. Okay, I'm not gonna open this one because I already did smell the other one and I did open it, so I'll just put this one to the side. Then I picked up the smoothing conditioner. I love the R&Co, and this is the smoothing shampoo, and this is smoothing conditioner. Yes, the Bel Air shampoo and conditioner. I'll be taking this to the bathroom, so when I wash my hair I can use this one because I haven't opened the big ones. And I will definitely be putting everything in the description down below with the prices, because I do have all the prices online and I screenshot everything. And then we got the Bumble and Bumble Surf Styling Leave-In for soft sea swept waves and UV protection, and this is a 5.0 FL ounces. So definitely, I love leave-in conditioners. This is the cream conditioner. Yes, the Tangles and Fights Frizz. I love it because you know when you have those frizzes, that's good for that. Okay, and then I picked up the Core Laboratories. This is this is KLORANE Nutrition. It says nourishing conditioner with mango butter for dry hair. Great. Let's see. This probably has a seal because it's hard to open. Yes, it does have a seal right here. Let's smell. Oh yes, it smells like mangoes. And this is a nourishing conditioner. I love conditioners. Definitely will try that out. Then I picked up from the CREME shop, the fruity smoothies, and I picked this up because I love yellow. And I was definitely looking forward to this palette because of the yellow shades. Look how gorgeous those shades. I love this one right here because it has an iridescent, oh wow, it has green, like greenish yellowy tones. So this one definitely will go beautiful with that yellow and this green. It has green and yellows right there. If you can see it, I hope you can. This one has like green and red and a lot of gold reflex and green and gold if you see it from the side. As you can see, it has green, gold, and then this one is yellow. This one I just dropped like a piece from the top. It just dropped. So it has two shimmers. It has sherbet, strawberry, rind, mango, pineapple, peach, kiwi. I love the kiwi. I love kiwi and sherbet, drizzle, and watermelon. These are very gorgeous fruit smoothies eyeshadow palette. This is going to be a gorgeous palette. So I love this one and this one right here. Beautiful colors. Okay, so beautiful, beautiful palette. Put this one down here. And last but not least, Pastel Rose. Okay, I think if I do have this palette, I'll definitely put it in the future giveaway that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to save that box because I already have, I'm collecting everything to put it in the box I have there, and that's going to be for the next giveaway that I'm going to be doing. It's going to be a random giveaway. I also have a big box that I'm going to be doing for my next big giveaway, and that's going to be when I hit my 200 subscribers. When I hit my 200, I will definitely be doing a big giveaway. But when I do the random one, I'm going to be doing just a random giveaway. Okay, so I'm saving these good palettes for the big giveaway. Okay, so I'm going to check to see if I have this palette. I am going to definitely take it out of, I don't like taking it out of, let me just open it so we can see. I gotta check to see if I have this Pastel Rose. I gotta look in my stash. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait till you guys see this. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Look at the middle. And then look at these two up here. Look at that green. I love green. This one is real pretty also. Well, I love yellow, but I love these four right here. These four right here are gorgeous. But look at this middle one. It's so... Look at this. Wow. Then these two purples right here. Picture, look with those or look with these four. Beautiful. I don't want to touch them because I need to find out if I have this palette or not. Okay, so I'm just going to put it back in here and then look to see if I do or if I don't. Okay, so I'm just going to put this here to the side. Okay guys, so that's all I have for this video. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell, and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and God bless you all. Bye.